Hi, I'm Dr. Anna Droz, an ecologist here at Hortech. As you know, the season for fall color planting is upon us, and we have a lot of seasonal color to help you with your fall planting needs. As you know, fall decor is no longer just mums, pumpkins, and cornstalks. Today, there is a host of perennial options for fall color, which I think you and your customers will be quite excited to see. Today, I'm going to take you on a quick walk and show you some of our favorite seasonal selections. They are looking great and are ready for planting in containers or for color accents within the landscape. As you can see, there are many great selections for your fall container and landscape plantings. Our Hortech sales reps would be happy to assist you with your container selections. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.